Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that a cylindrical block is 30 cm long and has a circular cross-section 10 cm in diameter. It carries a total compressive load of 70 kN, and under this load it contracts by 0.02 cm. Estimate the average compressive stress over a normal cross-section and compressive strain. So we have to find the average compressive stress and the average compressive strain. So solution. First, we'll have to find the cross-sectional area. So cross-sectional area is equal to pi d square over 4. So the diameter is what? Is 10 centimeter. So the diameter is what? 10 centimeter in diameter. So we are going to substitute it here. It becomes pi will be 3.142. You can use 22/7 if you wish for your pi. Times, then this centimeter we are going to convert it to meter, which is 0.10 meter. 0.10 meter over 4, then square. (7.855) times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. 7.855 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Then this area, so is meter square. So now we're going to find the compressive stress. So compressive stress, which is given by this, is equals to the load or the force over the area So what's the force? Is 70. So this is 70 kilonewton over this, the area 7.855 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. And this kilo, we can write it since it's 70 kilonewton, so it's 70 times 1000. Over 7.855 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is what? So this has 1, 2, 3, 6 digits. So we can write mega for it. So this will be just 8.91 then mega. So we'll say this equals to 8.91. Then mega is 10 raised to the power of 6. So it will be times 10 raised to the power of 6 times 10 raised to the power of 6 Newton per meter square. So this can be what? 8.91 mega Newton per meter square. So this is the compressive stress. Now let's find the compressive strain. Compressive strain, which is given by this, is equal to change in length over the original length. So this becomes, the change in length is given by what? Which contracts by 0.02. So this is the extension, which is the change in length, 0.02 centimeter. So we can convert it. It will be 0.02 0.02 times 10 raised power of minus 2. So this will give us, we have converted, since centi is 10 raised power of minus 2, we have converted it to meter. The original length is what? The original length is 30 centimeter. So here will be 30. So we'll convert it, so it will be 30 times 10 raised power of minus 2. We have converted to meter also. This will be 0.02. This one will cancel, so it will be 0.02 over 30. So this is what? 6.66. So we'll just bring this here. This will be what? When we bring it here, this one will be negative 3. So it will be 0.667 times 10 raised power minus 3. Since it's string, it has no unit. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.